Hey everybody, it's going to be a little different video today. You're going to have a different ride along. Going to be riding along while I go mow this guy's grass for free. he's in bad health and he needs some help. He's kind of struggling. So I'm going to go help him out. The grass is a little wet. It rained earlier, but me and my son are going to go down there. He's going to weed eat, and I'm going to go ahead and mow for him and get him taken care of. So it's going to be a little different ride along. You'll be riding along with me on old John here. It's going to be fun. Okay, here we go. Their grass cut. I'll be mowing this grass too here soon. Alright, I'm here. I'm going to mow this, that, and all that back there. Ought to be fun. This, and my son's got to weed eat that guy's yard. And then I'm going to go over and mow that. That's good. That's all done. Heading down here. Gotta move a couple things. and cut a bunch of these weeds down. Gotta move a bunch of stuff here. The stick. I'm gonna have to use both hands here. I got that moved. Stuff's pretty tall. This is before. Gotta move this stuff. There's me a tripod. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on here. He's a good worker. We'll be done with this in no time though. Getting there. Had to clean up a bunch of stuff over there. Getting there. Had to go on a gas run. I'm going to get some gas in there. I'm low on gas. This is fun, ain't it? Yeah, I'm going on a gas run. I gotta get gas in the mower, so I'm gonna run and get some gas in a can and just put it in the mower and run back down there and get that job done. I'll get with you in a bit. Alright, I got her filled up with gas. I gotta grab some weed eater gas. I'm gonna head back down there. Oh, look at my phone. Nice. Heading back down to the job. Gotta hurry up, it's gonna rain. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this up. Okay, I got it done. Don't mind the weed eater. That's Adam over there, weed eating that house over there. Got it done. How's it look? Looks better. It was kind of tall right there, so it clumped up a little bit, but I'm gonna get this mower and camera back home before it starts raining on us. Anyway, glad you all watched. It was fun. It's a different kind of ride, but it was a ride. How about a thumbs up? Throw a thumbs up on there. I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. I appreciate that too very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I bet you thought I was going to leave that laying there, huh? I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. That's better. Alright. Another job well done. Oh, I forgot to say peace. Peace. Have a good one.